the man's belongings. Deputy Morales confiscated the drug, and the man was cited for possession. Hours later, security cameras in the security office caught Deputy Morales walking into the bathroom where his unconscious body would be found moments later by a fellow deputy.
Right there in
He
his
got
pocket.
assistance from the other deputies who revived Morales
Hit that
with
weed.
multiple doses of Narcan. Deputy Morales then regained consciousness at the hospital. According to a report from the Sacramento Sheriff's Office, while on duty and in full uniform, Deputy Morales intentionally smoked the drug in the restroom of the sheriff's office. The substance turned out to be fentanyl. Deputy Morales reportedly smoked the drug out of a glass pipe that he also obtained on the job and lied about disposing of months earlier. He would later admit that he took the pipe home.
His cases is going to get overturned, bro.
3 or 4 times per authorities. Sheriff's internal investigations recommend that Morales be fired on grounds of dishonesty and informed him of this recommended discipline January 4th, 2024. Morales submitted his resignation February 2nd. A month later. Oh, they informed him of the discipline. Oh, okay. And he resigned. And it was accepted the following day. The sheriff's office documents show.
Wow.
So pretty fucking wild, dude. That takes getting this shit off the streets for the kids to a whole new level. I don't know if he should be commended or not.
Kidney detox superheroes of Nutriville. In the vibrant town of Nutriville, where health and happiness flourish, there lived 5 friends. Alex the apple, Carly the cranberry, Sam the spinach, Gina the ginger, and Toby the turmeric. They had a special mission, to keep the residents' kidneys healthy and happy. One sunny day, they gathered by the sparkling Nutri River, their favorite meeting spot. Alex the apple was the first to speak. Hey friends, we're like superheroes for the kidneys, helping people ride bikes, scooters, and enjoy the outdoors by keeping their bodies balanced and healthy. Carly the cranberry nodded. That's right, we're like little kidney superheroes. We help flush out toxins and keep the kidneys clean. Sam the spinach added, and we're packed with vitamins and minerals that give kidneys the strength they need to work their best. Gina the ginger chimed in. Plus, we have antioxidants that fight off harmful invaders and protect those hardworking kidneys. Toby the turmeric grinned, and let's not forget my special power, curcumin.
I know that's a DJ is.
Curcumin helps reduce inflammation,
Tell y'all better hit up, bro, for
that
consultation on some music.
The Nutriville residents
like, what type of beats you want? Here, check out these. And you know, I can make beats. Hey, it's like shit. We hungry, boss. Hey, you got some work? Yeah, we'll put in the work and get that.
The love and care they deserved. And so, in Nutriville, these fruit and veggie friends continue to spread their kidney detoxifying magic. They showed everyone that taking care of their kidneys wasn't just about a quick cleanse. It was about nourishing and supporting these vital organs with Faith's 100 power. Remember, friends, you can be a kidney hero too by enjoying the goodness of cranberries, apples, spinach, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes. Ready to be a superhero for your health? Visit www.superfoodparents.com and join the Nutriville community to learn how to nourish your body like the residents of this vibrant town.
And it'll be 2 weeks before I see some more shit about this drama, though.
Everybody in New York was calling to get down with
that
this
boy was
tonight.
at his food, picking his pants down,
Like this
hitting
guy
the pipe. He was doing it big at work,
like
god
he
damn.
thinks that marijuana makes every activity that much better.
He said, you know what? Meth makes work better.
You're Scarface, right? Yeah. I love Al Pacino, man.
That wasn't fucking meth, though. That was fit, bruh.
You ever seen Cinnamon
Folded it right up.
On weed. That's the way to see it, man. It's just wow. $60, yo. It's cool, man. I got it. Did you ever see the back of a $20 bill, man?
I don't know, yo.
Did you ever see the back of a $20 bill? On weed? Oh, there's some weird shit in there, man. There's a dude sitting in the bushes, man. Does he have a gun? I don't know, man. I don't know. What? Red team go. Red team go. It's just some